iPad to design Google Slide backgrounds with an app called 53. And so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Google Slide app, and you're going to find, see, I already have a couple of poems here, but you're going to find the poem that you want to design. And this is the poem that I want to design. So you're going to turn your device vertically, just like this. And then I'm going to put the slide in presentation mode. I'm going to make sure that that top bar goes away. I'll screenshot that slide. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my home button, and I'm going to look for the Paper 53 icon. Now this is what the Paper 53 icon looks like. Its new name is just 53. And if you can't find it, you'll look in the App Store or you'll look in the self-service store. So you may have some setup material, maybe a how-to, because I already have an account. Mine is all set up. But go through that setup material until you get to either sketches or journals. Doesn't matter. And you're going to choose a notebook. And I already have some sketches in my notebook, so I'm going to find a page that's blank, and I'm going to open that notebook. Now this is your sketch pad. There's actually a toolbar at the bottom that gives you access to different types of marker or pencils, paint, marker, pencil. So you have lots of different styles that you can use to create your design. And you can move it right to left. If you have the paid version, you'll have access to all of these tools. If you have the free version, you will only have access to some of these tools. So right now we're going to move our toolbar all the way down until we find the paper scroll. Now this is what our paper scroll looks like. We're going to tap on that paper scroll. And when we tap on the paper scroll, it'll give you an option to import from the library, choose templates, or take a photo. So I'm going to find another photo. So this is the photo that I want to use. Okay. I'm going to select done. And now I can draw on this photo. So the next thing I want to do is I actually want to outline any space that I don't want my picture to show up on. So I'm going to outline. I know that when I'm drawing my image, I don't want it to touch any part of the poem itself. And so I'm going to just create an outline that goes around this section so that I make sure not to do too much overlapping. There's a little arrow down here. When I want the toolbar, I'll hit the arrow again, and the toolbar will come back up. So now that I've outlined my space, I'm going to go back to the paper scroll, and I'm going to delete the image so that all that remains is the line that I drew.